Hello everybody, and today I have here a very special guest, and I couldn't have hoped for a better start to my reporting day today. I have here the legendary PT Usha, an athlete whose name we have heard from the time we were children. Ma'am, thank you for your time. Now what I want to ask you is that you have been coming to many Olympics. Now, when you first started competing as an athlete and you traveled, Indian food was not available so easily as it is now. So how did you manage that?
Actually, my first Olympics was in 1980 when I was 16 years. I am all about alone left there in the village because everybody, all the others, all seniors. Not only with me, senior most Geeta Sushi was there. And for me, most of the time when I reached there in the village, and actually that time I think India used to get one special cook also there for Indian food inside the village.
Okay.
That time. So when after searching everything, after reaching the restaurant like this mess, by that time Indian food will finish because outsiders also used to come and eat at that time. Not only India, the
Everybody
other people
likes
also likes
Indian food, yes.
So by that time it will finish.
So ma'am, I'm just interrupting. What were the kind of dishes made and served by the Indian cook at that time?
That time because normally they do for rice and they were dal and they make puris and all at that time in 1980. And then 84 it was little different. I had taken food from the village itself, Olympic village itself, because rice were there, so I used to bring with me like normally that pickle, mango
From
pickle
home.
from home, mango pickle. So otherwise all lot of fruits will be there. And I am not so much familiar or so much habituated of taking the continental food, but I started taking little bit, but I take rice with the pickle. And one day when I was taking food, I did well, in 400 hurdles, heats and semi. Then some of the outside country coach came and sat with me and he said, "What is your secret?" I told him that this is my secret volcano. I showed him that pickle, mango pickle, so chilly. And he thought that I'm telling me actually it is jokely. Then he was taking it seriously. He started hitting the pickle. He was jumping from there. It was so chilly. He was jumping from there, running all over and taking dahi. And then he couldn't, he's not all right. And then he started taking ice cream and all. Then afterwards, whenever he saw me, he will tell, "Yeah, your secret is the best one."
But ma'am, this is a very fun story, but it also shows that athletes at that time, they had to have survival strategies, carry pickle from home,
Yes.
because it wasn't, your kind of food wasn't so easily available. But now I've heard, and I've seen an interview also you've given, that there is a full Indian array of dishes like aloo gobi, chicken, dal, in the village, being served to Indian athletes. So what would you have to say about that?
Because it's good, like see, when you are taking food from our place and going for the competition, and you are already habituated of that food, and so sudden if you change the food for the competition, it will because mentally it will be trouble for you. See, for me, wherever I go, for my habit is there to get strength. I wanted to take carbohydrate. So in my mind, I have to take rice. But the alteration in potato, if you take also, it is okay for carbohydrate. But my mind says that I wanted rice. So the same thing for most of the players, so they also feel comfortable when you take whatever they like before competition. So if provided that, then it will be good for the players.
And ma'am, I'm told that you have tied up with Sodexo to provide Indian food to the athletes here in the village. So could you say a little bit about that?
We have actually 2 nutritionists traveling with them, so because according to their instruction, and we have with the Sodexo we have tied up with so they are having whatever the players want, and they will get the Indian food here. So it helps because we don't want to change so sudden, their food habit before competition.
And that's what we've been reading everywhere, that for athletes to function at their optimum, they need mentally, physically, as you said, rice will give you, whatever rice will give you, potatoes will also give you, but mentally, if I'm used to eating
That's right.
rice dal, then
Yeah.
I want to eat, and pickle, of course.
That's right, now that is nice. See, with lot of alteration will be there if you have to have protein or if you have to add carbohydrate. But this mental satisfaction is totally different. It has to be there. That is why we brought nutritionists also. According to their instruction only, we have tie up with Sutex.
Yes, Sodexo, yes.
So I think they will be happy this time. And for that also, we wanted to cover everything for players. So with very peaceful and without any tension, we wanted them to participate.
That's an amazing initiative, ma'am. Truly amazing for the athletes. And I have one last question to ask you. That there is a little India here, and as Indians, whenever we are traveling, if we don't get Indian food, we try to run to Little India. Now you have arranged so much for the athletes, but still, are you looking forward to going to Little India one trip to try some other kinds of Indian food, if you have the time?
I am not that particular now, but because I think players and all, they should concentrate on now their own event only.
Yes.
They should not travel and take outside, going outside and taking food. I will not, because it's not good also.
No, of course not.
Because for me, I am not that particular about food that I have to take this. I am not going to take food outside for just receive. We have taken a lot of food from our country, and for 10 days we can manage here. For me.
Sure. And anyways, you will have an array of Indian food in the village.
Yeah.
So I'm so delighted to be speaking to you today, ma'am. And this was truly my wow moment of today, to be speaking to the legendary PT Usha. Thank you very much, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you so much.